September is the last month of quarter 3. Since the back-to-school shopping season ends at the beginning of September in most countries, your royalties may drop after mid of September depending on your niches. Therefore, as a KDP low content book creator, you need to be thinking ahead and be ready for the next monthly holiday niches and trends to keep your sales continuing to grow. So let's check together the KDP low content niche ideas for September. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I talk about how to make money online by self-publishing no content and low content books on Amazon and create passive income from scratch. If this sounds something that you might be interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. The 2022 NFL season is set to kick off on Thursday, September 8th. If you check the Google Trends for the search term football, you can see that the peak point was at the beginning of September last year. So we can expect the same increase this year in September too. As people's interest in football increases, people tend to buy more football-related items during this time of the year. Of course, some people will search for official merchandise of their favorite teams, but some others will go crazy for products that show off their love of the game. Please be careful about that. You can't use any official NFL logos on your designs, and you should always check the trademarks for any keywords you use on your title and subtitle. Think about the football fans, football players, and football coaches and try to create unique cover designs and interiors according to their needs. In my opinion, instead of making just football themed cover design, why not put some related graphics also inside of your books to make it more interesting for the customers? Let's make an example. I am sure all of you have a line interior page for notebooks. If you don't have one, I already shared in my previous video the free download link for 8.5 by 11 college ruled interior. I will put a link again below in the description so you can download it from Creative Fabrica. So let's put a simple graphic about football on this line page. By the way, I'm showing this on Adobe Illustrator. I know most of you use free tools like Canva, but I think you can do the same in Canva too. First, change the color from black to gray. Then we can change the opacity of this graphic from 100% to 25%. That's it. Like this, we made a completely different interior from the others. Furthermore, I believe that if you can show this interior page with A+ content on your product page, you can stand out from the crowd. I know some of you are in rush and want to make quick money by uploading more books with the same interior. And changing the interiors like this or creating A+ content may sound time consuming. But I strongly advise you to customize your interiors as much as possible each time. Let me know what you think about this subject in the comment section below. Let's continue with the Father's Day in Australia. Father's Day in Australia occurs on the first Sunday of September. If you missed the chance to offer some products for Father's Day in US and Europe in June, it is time to create some products for the Australian marketplace. Let's check on Google Trends for it. As you see, people search Father's Day in the first week of September last year. If you already published some products for Father's Day for other marketplaces, you may expect some sales in the Australian marketplace at the beginning of September. However, please be aware that the search terms and keywords may be different in Australia. Also, some cover designs with quotes and images which work well in US marketplace may not work in Australia. Therefore, I think creating a unique product for Father's Day for Amazon Australia with new keywords and cover designs would be a better idea. Labor Day is widely considered to be the unofficial last day of summer and the start of back-to-school season. Most Americans grill and gather with their families on Labor Day, and some of them make last-minute back-to-school supplies shopping. To take advantage of large numbers of potential customers with time to shop, retailers offer special discounts for this weekend. So the holiday has become a back-to-school shopping tradition. According to a survey by National Retail Federation last year, 61% of people planned their back-to-school and college shopping around major sale events, including Prime Day, 4th of July, or Labor Day. However, I believe that this ratio will increase this year. Due to the rising inflation rate, more people will wait for last-minute discounts. Labor Day is not associated with a specific type of gift or theme like Christmas or Halloween. Therefore, if you have enough margin, the best thing you can do as a self-publisher is to offer a discount for your bestseller items, especially for the ones related to back to school or summer. I think only in this way you can keep your rankings around the same level during Labor Day weekend. Do not forget, if your products are competing with FBA sellers, they keep physical stock, and it is their last biggest chance to sell their back-to-school items. So we can expect that they may make an aggressive pricing strategy. Be prepared for this. Other important dates in September are National Grandparents' Day on September 11th, National Video Games Day on September 12th, and National Hispanic Heritage Month from September 15th to October 15th. So you can create some low-content books for grandparents, video game enthusiasts, or Hispanic Americans around these dates. However, do not expect too much traffic compared to other big shopping events like Mother's Day or Father's Day. If you manage to sell some items for these niches around September, it will help you sell more during Q4 for these niches. As I said before, if you publish mostly back-to-school items, your Amazon KDP royalties may drop after mid of September. However, you don't need to worry about it. It's quite normal, because Amazon Q4 is around the corner and you can take it all back in Q4. September is the month to complete our preparations for the holiday season. You should better to focus on only content creation and not the royalties. As you see on the graphic, all the peak points are Q4 Amazon net revenues, and they are significantly higher than the net revenues of other quarters of the year. I'm going to make another video about Q4 niches later. I hope this video was worth watching and it will help you increase your Amazon KDP royalties in September. If you think so, make sure to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. I will continue to create content about monthly niche ideas for low content books. See you soon in the next video.